Hi guys, I'm Nishita and you're watching Geeks for Geeks, your one-stop solution for all coding-related problems. And today we're going to talk about a question that every fresher has asked. Why on earth are we still taught C in college? It's 2025, we're talking about AI, automation, machine learning, yet most freshers are still starting out with C in college. Seems outdated, right? But there's more to it. When you enter any college in India, C is usually the first language you're introduced to. And there's a very good reason behind it. C gives you a crystal clear understanding of how computers are actually supposed to work. It teaches you how memory is managed, how logic flows, and how code translates into a real execution. You can think of it something like driving a manual car before switching to automatic. It's not really necessary, but it gives you a better understanding of the engine. So yes, C is great for building fundamentals, but let's be honest. Fundamentals alone never get you placed. The industry now runs with languages that go beyond procedural programming. So we're talking about companies running on object-oriented programming languages like C++, Python, and Java because they help you structure your code in a way that's scalable, reusable, easier to maintain. On the other hand, we have C, which is purely procedural. No objects, no classes, no inheritance, no encapsulation, which is exactly what the interviews nowadays focus on. So say if your goal is internships, interviews, building project-based learning, object-oriented programming is the direction you need to go in. Here's the good news. You do not need to learn C for learning C++. Though their syntax overlaps about 20%, C++ covers everything that you would learn in C and much more. So say you're starting out and you want to learn a programming language on your own, skip straight to C++. You'll learn a language that will give you a very strong foundation course, something that's still used in industry and extremely relevant. You'll save time, focus on one foundation language, and directly pick up the skills that matter in today's tech landscape. Now, say you're in college and C is a part of your curriculum. Absolutely learn it. It'll help you get that logical base, build a strong foundation, but once it's done and you're done with the exams, move forward. You can move on to object-oriented languages like C++, Java, or Python based on what you want to do and what your interest is. Say you want to be a competitive programmer, you learn CPP. You want to go into web development, try JavaScript or maybe Python. Or if you want to learn, say, machine learning and AI, then Python is your best bet. The thing is, you do not need to stop at what college gives you. You need to take a step forward and learn towards your own interests. Take charge of your own learning journey. At Geeks for Geeks, we believe learning is what really matters. If you want to try out AI, ML, UI, UX, project management, or any other such thing, we have curated internships and courses that will help you take the leap in that direction. These are real-world experiences designed to help you apply your skills, not just memorize them. This is going to be how you kickstart your journey. So if this is something you're interested in, check the link in description and go check out our website. So concluding this video, yes, C helps you understand the basics, but the industry only rewards those who build beyond it. Start smart, start strong, and start where the future is headed. Because after all, your growth is in your hands. Keep hustling, keep learning. This is Nishita, and I'll see you later.